Hello, everyone. Welcome to PW. Good evening, everyone. Please let me know by writing in the comment section whether audio and video, everything is perfect or not. So this is going to be the most important session for all students who are waiting for GATE 2026 course. Hoping all of you are excited. We are going to reveal some very important things related to this particular batch. So please let me know by writing in the comment section that audio and video, everything is perfect. Please let me know by writing in the comment section that audio and video, everything is perfect. I'm unable to see your comments. Please let me know by writing in the comment section whether audio and video, everything is perfect. Great, great. So in this session, I'm going to discuss most important thing about the batches, and Kailash sir and Pankaj sir also going to brief you very important things related to the 2026 batch. Hoping all of you are excited for this batch. So we are talking for Parakram 2026 English batch. Yes, of course. Now this batch is purely dedicated to those students who are not comfortable in Hindi. So this batch is going to be completely in English and you are going to enjoy this batch. Okay. So this is a 2026 electronics English batch and its price is 7,200 only. The next one is for the civil. Civil batch is also launching from 30th of September. And we are going to tell you some very important things related to this batch. First one is features of this batch. So what you are getting in this batch. Can you tell me if you know about anything from your friends? Let me know. Okay, I'm going to reveal some very important thing. These lectures are going to be live and you will get recorded DPPs. Complete lecture planner will be uploaded before your batch gets started. So this is the most important thing because every student want to know what will be the entire schedule. What is the direction in which we are going? So that entire planner, test planner will be available on PW web as well as your app. MCQ, MSQ and NAT. Whatever types of questions will be asked in your GATE as well as the equivalent competitive exam like any state PSUs, all will be included in this. All the topics will be typically based for the exam pattern only. So it will be designed in such a way that no gap will be appear in your study and the question which is going to be asked in your future exam. Okay. Next one is topic wise DPP. This is the most important USP of PW. Daily practice sheet. So this daily practice sheet is available along with a video solution, not only a text solution, because most of the time a student just see the text and after observing the text, he is unable to understand the basic concept behind that because engineering is a little bit complex. So we are providing DPP video solution. So that will help you a lot in understanding most of the concept, okay? And makes easy for you to solve the question. Learn with India's best faculty from past 2 years. We are celebrating all the toppers. Okay. So you know about the strength of our team, and this team is going to dedicate, the same team is going to dedicate you for your entire GATE journey. Doubt engine, we will talk about more related to the doubt engine, PYQ in quiz format. This makes a little bit enhances your ability to how to solve the question quickly within the time span. Okay. And regular test will be conducted after the class as well as your weekly test will be scheduled during your test. And after completion of the subject, again, you will get one test. Okay. So before telling other things related to the batch, first I will discuss about the planner of your respective branch. So all of you are excited? Abhishek Sharma is saying, fine, sir. Okay. So for a planner, first I am moving towards the civil. And please, Kailash sir, please come and tell about the planner of civil for 2026.
Thanks a lot, Varun sir. Thank you, sir. So as Varun sir has already told you, this batch is purely for English students, those who want to learn the subject in English. So the complete explanation of the subject. Each and everything will be in English. You will be getting all the things, whatever you are going to get, that sir has explained in detail about the DPPs, live classes, recorded classes, and each and everything. So here is the complete batch planner for civil engineering. So we know that for civil engineering students, there are a lot of subjects when compared to other branches. So all the subjects have been planned in a proper way. At the same time, here you can see what is the start date of the subject and what is the end date. The first subject that will be starting will be engineering hydrology. I will be handling the subject, and this subject I will be starting from tomorrow itself. So tomorrow the class will start from 6 p.m. in the evening. The class will be from 6 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. 4 hours, 4.5 hours of class, but in that you'll get a break of half an hour in between. Means 2 hours of class, 6 to 8 p.m., then a half an hour break, then again from 8:30 to 10:30, that will be your class timings. Then after hydrology, irrigation, open channel flow, CPM, engineering mechanics, highway, fluid mechanics, railway, environmental. So all the subjects, each and everything has been planned in a proper way. You can see here. So those who are preparing for GATE 2026, this will be one of the best batches to buy. The reason behind that is, you can see, we know that GATE exam will be in the month of February. So in this batch, the complete syllabus will be completed by September. So after that, you'll get October, November, December, and January, 4 months for complete revision. Now you may see here, so where is mathematics and aptitude? It is there. As I told you, in civil engineering, we have a lot of subjects. So complete things cannot be fitted into a single slide. Here are the other three things, that is about engineering mathematics, general aptitude, and verbal aptitude. So this is the complete batch planner. You can check the batch planner in the app also. When you buy, you'll get the planner also. So the same thing will be attached there. So you can plan accordingly your classes. So GATE classes, as well as you can plan accordingly your college courses also. Then we shall move on to the next thing, that is the batch planner for electronics batch. And I request Mr. Pankaj sir to please take over the session now.
Thank you, Kailash sir, and thank you, Varun sir, for giving me this opportunity that's explaining a very interesting, that is a outcome that is coming from a physics wala for you. And physics wala is not delivering interesting concepts to Hindi students. They also give you the batches for English students also, and we take care of each and every batches in Pan India. See, look at that. This is the batch planner, and if you look at the complete batch planner, then we start with the common subject, which is digital electronics, which start from 30 September 2024 and 30 November 2024. It will end like this. And then analog electronics, it will start from 23 October and 29 October. Now look at that here. Here, engineering maths and aptitude. Now you know that engineering maths and aptitude itself will comprise more than 28 marks, means up to 28 marks. So if you look at this one, see here, up to 21 July, 6 May, and probable aptitude, these kind of things, then they will cover nearly about 28 marks. And these planner will nothing but this is for electronics. Electrical also, if you see, then electrical also, we have covered your core subjects like power systems, machine, electrical machine, part 1 and part 2. So we take care itself in the month of January 2025. So you are going to give a GATE in 2026, but your core subject will complete it in 2025 itself. And moreover, from that is if you look at the half of this, means up to 2025, your syllabus will be completely wind up. Means, as Kailash sir says, that the whole syllabus will be wind up by October 15, so that you will get ample amount of time for revision and all, for test series and all. So the planner is according to this, that will fit your complete schedule, not only for the students who are only preparing for GATE examination, but it will fit for the students who are college going, that is in the final year or in the, let's say, third year, like that. And it will not only help in your that is the GATE preparation, but also in your semester examination. So the plan is very interesting, and the whole faculties and the devotion of faculties towards the students is very interesting in this PW. So everything is there, sir, and I am that is delighted that these kind of things are going to be happening. Varun sir.
Thank you, sir. Already Pankaj sir told you about the planners. Let me highlight you once more. Your digital will be starting from 30th of September, and I am going to start it. Okay. So digital electronics, I'm going to make you a lovable subject for all the electronics students. Okay. Those who are from civil or mechanical, please write your branch name in the comment so that we can take a query accordingly. I'm going to take digital electronics later on. The entire course of electrical is designed in such a pattern so that the student will get most benefited, because power system, electrical machine and electrical machine control system, all the important subjects will be covered first, so that you have a ample amount of time so you can do the entire revision process again and again, and your course will be completed by June 2025. That is our target. Okay, a little bit plus minus is there, but of course we will try to finish this as per our commitment. Now let's talk about the Infinity batch. Sir, when will electronics planner will be fully updated, sir? Like civil. Okay. See, electronic will be fully updated very soon. Maybe by tomorrow or day after tomorrow. It is just not filled because of some 2 or 3 faculty management. Okay. So how to manage the faculty due to their present running subjects. So once it will be shot out, it will be there. Now let's talk about the most important part of GATE Infinity learning. GATE Infinity learning. Students, most of the student asks, sir, there is a difference in the price. The price for regular plan is different. However, the Infinity batch is different. Why it is so, sir? Actually, PW for every student, PW want to make the price as low as possible. But if you are able to compare it, then you will find that this price well suited. And we already PW try to keep this price within in bound as much as possible. Please observe here what you are getting. The major features like classroom learning, you will get in both. Live recorded lecture, you will get in both. Topic-wise DPP, you will get in both. Test series and video solution, you will get in both. Regular batch as well as Infinity batch. Doubt solving, you will get in both. Regular as well as Infinity batch. So what is extra in Infinity batch, sir? You don't need to buy a PYQ book. You will get PYQ book from PW side. Okay. You will get Khajana access. Now, what is this Khajana access? It means most of the subjects may be available from more than 1 or 2 faculties. And there are some more subjects which are available for you in the recorded form, so that if your present semester is going on and you want to focus on that particular subject instead of going with the live subject, then that is also possible for you. Okay. So all these access are available with the Khajana batch. Okay. And GATE test series, you need not to pay anything for the GATE test series. It is already dedicatedly given to the Infinity batch student. However, regular batch student can purchase separately. Mentorship and guidance session. This is the most important and most expensive program, because one-to-one mentorship, you can understand what is the meaning of one-to-one mentorship. Like you are saying, Varun sir, I am unable to get this concept. Can you please tell me? And I am giving you the answer. So this one-to-one mentorship is quite different thing. Okay. So that will be available with the Infinity batch interview guidance program. Many times a student qualify their GATE for different PSUs and they need some guidance for the interview. They want mock interviews. So everything will be assisted by us. Okay. So it means just if you are enrolled, then from enrolling to your job selection, everything will be taken care of by PW. One-to-one mentorship, I'm again going to highlight it. Pankaj sir, can you please give some light to this one-to-one mentorship of the Infinity batch?
Yes, of course, sir. Sir, this is the one of the best features we have. In the one-to-one mentorship, if you have any doubt regarding to anything, means suppose if you have a problem with your strategy, suppose you have a problem with your, let's say, for example, if you are, let's say, planning something and you are not able to plan that how to, that is the cover the subject, how to manage the subjects. If 2-3 subjects that is completed, then how to manage the load, these kind of things. Suppose you have exams in your college and some PSU exam is on the lineup. So these kind of things is required in your whole preparation. And this is the best features we have. You have a dedicated faculties for that, and you can call them by scheduling them like this. So you have a pre-book slot that you can schedule it and live call mentor on the personalized guidance, for the personalized guidance. And then if suppose you have a doubt in the machine, or let's say for that matter, say control system or signal system, or let's say if you are civil student, then Kailash sir, if the subject is taking, then if you have these kind of doubts, then you can directly ask in one-to-one, that is in a video call manner, in a live manners, in a audio call manner, and these kind of things is there. And along with
Sir,
that,
I
as I
would
say
like to
earlier,
add something. Sir, I would like to add something.
yes, yes, yes.
See, that's a pre-block schedule. Pre-book schedule means what? Like if there are on every 15 days or 10 to 15 days, it will depending upon the subjects. Okay. So every 10 to 15 days, you will get a pre-book schedule for a slot for your doubt discussion. Okay. Where you can ask your doubt later on, where you can get a personal mentorship. How to go, sir, which subject I am running, I am lagging with this subject, how to catch up. Okay. What classes I can go with the recorded, how can I plan my schedule. So everything that you can get a personal assistant here. For doubt solving, use a session, get your doubt cleared in real time. Already it is available. Exam strategy. So this strategies will not only given by the faculties, but it also given by those students who have recently cracked their exam. Okay. So they will give you and share your problems, and they will share their plannings with you, so that it will help you a lot. Now, how to get a request call? Kailash sir, can you please highlight about the request call for the doubt solving?
So to get a request call, so there is a small thing, sir, that is a page is there in the app. So there we have to, their student has to fill their name, then their number, then which type of doubt they are having. So then they have to send it, sir. Then that will be sorted out, and to the respective faculty, it will be given. Such kind of option newly has been introduced. So student can just open this, then they can fill up the details. So filling details is very easy, and then you can submit your request. So after submitting the request, the team will just list out all the requests. Then they will categorize the different category of doubts and send to the respective faculties. So after 1 week or 2 weeks, so there will be a session, live session in Telegram channel or on PW channel, sir. Then the student can ask their doubt directly. That may be mostly it will be a video session itself. So recently I had conducted a video session where many of the students were asking some doubts, how to plan about the subjects, how to cover the lagging subjects. So all these queries we shall be discussing there with the students live, sir. Next, anything you want to add up on this one, sir?
No, sir, already you have covered everything. Sir is just trying to say it's a hand holding for you for your all the doubts. Okay. Next, about the civil faculty. So, sir, for 2026, we are going to reveal all the important your dream teacher faces. So over to you, Kailash sir.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot, sir. So firstly, coming to the civil faculties, who will be there? None other than Ankit Sharma, sir. So everyone knows Ankit Sharma, sir, is one of the legendary faculties. Then comes Badal Soni, sir. Both of them are ex-IES officers. They are having a lot of experience with them, and their teaching is fabulous. You know it very well. Next, coming to that, after that, we are having Satyajit, sir, Mrigang, sir, Shobit, sir, Krishna, sir, then myself, I will be taking the classes. Then coming to the aptitude skills, we are having one of the senior most faculty, that is Ratan sir, then Ashutosh sir and Punit sir will be dealing mathematics, and he is one of the best faculties in India who teaches mathematics in a very simple way. That is which I have heard it from many of the students. Then this is about civil engineering faculties. Next, when I come to the electronics and electrical department, electrical and electronics department faculties, so there are many legendary faculties. 2 legendary faculties are there in the session itself, Varun sir and Pankaj sir. Now I request Pankaj sir, please do introduce the faculties from electrical and electronics branch, sir.
Yes, of course. PW has one of the best faculty pools in throughout the course. We have a leader, that is a Pankaj sir, a very experienced faculties in the field of power electronics and network. We have Ajay sir, ample of experience, if I say. We have a Sonu sir, IIT Kharagpur pass out. We have a Siddharth sir. Siddharth sir, you know about Siddharth sir, he is a AI1. We have a Sujal sir taking a lot of, that is subjects like analog electronics and control systems. We have a Satish sir for instrumentation and that is the computer applications, these kind of things. And none other than Varun sir, we have a machine guru. You know that in India, the best machine is taught by him. I also teach some subjects. Then we have a Chandan sir, we have a Ratan sir, we have a Asutosh sir, and we have a Police sir. Mind it, guys, these faculties are one of the best faculties for your non-technicals. That is for 28 marks. So if you take a subjects that's maths from Pune sir, then you just forget about everything. Just take the subjects, and definitely he claims that 13 out of 13 means 10 to 12 marks of questions comes from his notes itself. And I personally tested this also. So definitely the faculty pool of PW is one of the awesome PW if I see in this current situation. Varun sir.
Moreover, all the lectures, video lectures are already available on YouTube on the same channel. So you will have a good amount of understanding if you go through some of the lectures. Okay. Pankaj sir is there. Pankaj sir is not telling about himself. He is a control Baba, you can say. So he know everything about the control. Now let's talk about exploring the batches. Some of you have already mentioned your branches, like Sujata mentioned mechanical branch. All other students, I'm requesting you can mention your branch. You can ask whatever doubt you have related to this particular 2026 batch. Presently, the batch is this batch orientation is for the civil, electrical, and electronics. Soon you will get for the mechanical also, and potentially you can put your comment so that soon we will come back and tell you about the mechanical also. Okay. Now let's talk about the batches, exploring the batches. So we have Parakram Gate 2026 Civil Engineering batch. So Civil Engineering batch 2026. How to approach for this particular batch? How to navigate your screen to this batch? Just you have to open pw.live. And you will get a gate. You have to choose the category for preparation. You have to choose gate category, and then you will get all the batches detail. From there, first you have to select, if your branch is civil, you can select civil branch and you can explore your batch. All other details will be there available. Now come to the how to buy. It is very simple and easy process. Just you have to click on buy. You have to choose one of the two. Already we have told about the Infinity and Parakram, the differences between them, additional features of Infinity. So accordingly, you can choose your pocket friendly as well as your need of the batch. Okay. So we are not forcing that every student has to take the Parakram Infinity only. It totally depends upon your requirement. If you want a hand holding, definitely you should have to go with the Parakram Infinity. Now let's talk about all the classes, subject-wise class scheduled. Notice will be provided in the classroom section. When you go to the batch, you will find that there will be a description, classes, Infinity Learning, if Infinity Learning is opted by you, and test. Everything will be available. Like if you observe this screen, then notice board is there. So all upcoming, any kind of notice, any rescheduling, if it is there, it is very rare chances to have a rescheduling of your subject, but if it is there, you will get into the notice section. You will get your starter kit, hydrology, open channel flow, irrigation, all the subjects. Okay, so your running subject will be available here. For Infinity batch, Khazana batch is there, from where you can access all previous batches also. Now come to the Parakram Gate 2026 batch, English for civil. Okay, mock tests are there. You can go through the mock test. You can give the mock test. It is free. Now come to the test. You can also check know your teacher profile. So you can go to the teacher profiles and you can search what are their subject, what are their experiences, and later on you can plan. So everything will be available before you will purchase a plan. There every information will be available. You can have a complete information of the faculties also. Sir, tomorrow it will start. No Hindi, sir. No, this batch is English batch. Of course, I'm hoping all of you are able to understand. There is a difference between Hinglish batch and English batch. If someone is planning for Hinglish batch, then there most of the time we will talk in a basic language. All the definitions and everything is in English, but all the explanations are in Hindi. But if you are opting an English batch, then everything will be in English only. Okay. So this is the major difference. There will be no Hindi. Yes, of course, youngest engineer. Now, DPPs with their video solutions, this is the most unique and most valuable feature of GATE PW app. You are getting video solution of all the questions. So this is something which makes help a lot for building all the question solving concepts. Okay. Sir, Kailash sir, Pankaj
Yes.
sir, I want your reviews also towards the DPPs. So in this batch, most of the students are preparing for 2026 are in second year. So whether this DPP will help them for their college preparation also, and how it will change their entire journey of study.
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir. DPP is one of the best things you have in our courses. First thing is that DPP will not only help you for better understanding, DPP will also helps your semester examinations. So if suppose someone is giving, let's say any subject is going on and suppose someone is giving, let's say 15 DPP solution for any, let's say control topic or signal topic, then they are from starting from level 1 to level 3. So level 3 are for only for competitive examinations, and level 2, level 1 you can handle it for semester examinations also. So point is that from DBP itself, this is for your 360-degree preparation, they will help you. And for better understanding for before attempting your mock and everything, DBP are the means questions which if you revise, then the whole subjects will also be revised. And moreover, Kailash sir will also tell you about what are the significance of DBP and how they will help you in your whole preparation. Kailash sir.
Thanks a lot, Pankaj sir. Thank you, sir. So basically now after every chapter, generally we provide, depending upon the chapter, if the chapter is too big, then 2 or 3 DPPs you may get. So after every chapter, generally if it is a small chapter, then we provide 1 DPP. So after completing a chapter, if you attend all the questions from the DPP, then if you are able to solve the questions, then that will give you confidence. So confidence means if you get the confidence, then you will be understanding the subject in a better way. If you have understood the subject in a better way, then it will not only help you out to write only the GATE examination, it will help you out even in your college courses. At the same time, it will help you in writing other exams also. So overall, DPPs are one of the best things that you get here. So next, after discussing about the DPPs, the next thing that we are supposed to discuss is about the doubts. So what about doubts? So we get after the classes, during live class, I may not get any doubt, but after live class, suppose if I get a doubt, then you can just tag the slide and send it to there is a separate option for that, doubt engine. So there you can tag the slide, then you can answer the doubt. That means ask a question related to that slide. And your question, whatever the doubt you have asked, that will be solved basically within 24 hours, but sometimes it may take 48 hours if a faculty is too busy with his workload and all. So it depends upon that also. Generally within 48 hours maximum, all the doubts will be solved. So suddenly if I get a doubt in the evening, what I can do? There is one more thing there. That is each and every faculty, Varun sir, take Pankaj sir, myself. So all of us are having separate Telegram channels, not personal Telegram channels. These are official Telegram channels. In the official Telegram channel also, you can ask your doubts. There, faculties, we generally try to answer the doubts immediately. Whenever we are free, we answer the doubts. There is one more option. So other than that, if you get any other doubt also, so in future also, you can ask the doubts in the live session. Okay. So then next coming to the rating and all. So I request Varun sir to take upon this slide, please.
Sir, I want to tell students something. I'm in teaching from 2009 onward. And in 2012-13, I can't imagine that such kind of feature will be developed someday. Okay. So why I'm saying this, because there are students, most of the students are sitting in front of us. We are just giving our notes over it is like just we are dictating and they are writing most of the time. Some students will unable to write everything. So what happened? Their notes is not complete, and they have some of the doubts in their mind, which they try to ask from the side bencher. Okay. So the next friend who is at the same level, he tried to understand from them. And there is a lot of conceptual unclarity developed in a student's mind. Such kind of feature will be invented, we can't imagine. Now, we have we have noted everything on the slide moved on. You are, like, suppose unable to understand whatever the content written on that particular site, some formula you are unable to understand, you can just tag that slide with that particular important information which you are unable to understand, and you can ask. So no one can imagine that such kind of beautiful thing will be developed in the online. Okay. So this is a very unique feature, and this may help you a lot, because now you can understand each and everything. There is no hurdle. Someone asked, sir, can I take the classes along with the job? Someone is in job and asking about whether we have to plan to take the batch with the jobs. Yes, if you are even in the presently, if you are working also, you can opt this particular batch. If you are opting this batch with Infinity, then you will go a little bit faster, because you may take some of the batches which is already available in the recorded format, and you can go your speed as per your desired time to give the gate. Okay, 2026 if you're planning, this batch is itself sufficient. If due to job you are unable to cover the live lectures, then also you can watch some of the lectures in weekends. Okay, so this batch is absolutely help a lot of students who are in college and those who are working professional and planning to take this batch. Now let's talk about technical app and related issue. Many times what happened, a student asks, sir, what happened if some technical issue will be arises? So there is a solution. Every time there is a solution. Okay, now what's the solution? You have already, you are going to connect it with all of the faculties on their respective Telegram channels. So you will have a real time information related to any technical issue if it happens. It will not happen, but since it's a technical thing, so no one can say that every time everything will be perfect. Okay, so if something happened, then you will get. Now there is also a point where you can report this. Like after the class, how would you like that particular class? You can rate. Not only rate, you can also mention if anything additional you required, like you want more number of questions, you want to reduce the lecture speed, you have loved the lecture content but you unable to note down, then you can also rate it. That is the also a part that you can change the way of lecture as per your desire. Okay, now let's talk about the uh, how to reach the support team. So there is a support team reach options are given to you. Like here, you can go in the contact us in the app. If you go, there is a contact us support team. In support team, what is the issue related to your batches, issue related to your app, whatever issue you have, you can just put accordingly. You can put your feedback, and backend team will connect you. Hoping you now you know everything about this 2026 batch. Again, I'm informing all of you that from 30th of September, means tomorrow, your 2026 batch for EC, EE, and Civil is starting. I'm going to start your digital electronics and other all the subjects detailed already we have discussed. If any doubt you have, please, you can ask in the comment section. Over to you, Pankaj sir.
So guys, this is the wonderful, that is the opportunity you have to join this match. And not only you will get, that is a help for your gate preparation and for any other, let's say examination preparation. Sir, you will definitely get help for your semester examination also. Those who are struggling for semester examinations, that they often students have this kind of issues that are in our college faculties are like that they are not keen to, though they have a knowledge, but they have no keen for that is a means giving a some concepts and which is required for your career. So guys, your career is very precious, your time is very limited. So please don't waste your time, first of all, and please try to understand that this is as a investment, okay? And the point is that if you invest your time for more than money, means I'm not saying that just go into go and enroll that particular batch, but I am saying that if you using our free initiative like in YouTube also, so please use this properly and please respect your time, because if you respect your time, that time will surely respect you back. So that is the thing. And more important thing is that, so wherever you want to learn, you learn, you definitely learn, but please be cautious about your dreams, what you have that is shown, what your parents are means trying to achieve. These kind of things has to be important, okay? So with this, definitely we will meet, and we will meet not only in batch, in YouTube also. Soon we will start a different kind of initiative. PW is always there to help you, and Kailash sir will more give you that is the closing part.
Thanks a lot, Pankaj sir. Thank you, sir. So as already we have discussed each and everything, Varun sir has explained each and every point in detail in a very beautiful way. At the same time, just now in the final thing, at the end of the session, Pankaj sir told a very beautiful line about the time. So time is life. Respect your time and respect the time. Time will respect you. That is one of the wonderful things that Pankaj sir has told you. I hope so each and everything is clear. So from tomorrow onwards, batches will start for civil and electrical and electronics. That is, classes will start from evening 6 p.m. onwards. So hope so we shall join you there. Thank you each and everyone. So Varun sir, you want to add anything, sir?
One last thing I want to add, sir. Already Pankaj sir told you about the time. Yes, of course, time is the most precious thing. And if you are investing a time in your study, na, it means you are investing in the most precious thing and most highly returnable asset. Okay. So you don't believe what is going to give back to you if you are able to crack some PSU in your first attempt. Okay. So that going to change not only your life, but entire of your family life. See, for a student now, it is very easy to take money from father, mother, or your elder brother. Okay. It is very easy. But life will become very difficult when you are going to enter in a real world, the real challenges. Now a time you are enjoying your great, most beautiful era of your life. College life is the most beautiful era. Now, soon, after 1 year, maybe some of you have already crossed that. So after crossing your BTech now, everyone is expecting from you. They have invested in you and now they are start expecting from you. They will not say you anything. Maybe your father is rich enough. They have a lot of money, but still he has invested time in growing you up, making you an engineer, and now it's a time they are waiting for a return. So if you perform best in this particular exam, that will not only change your life, but entire of your family and friends' life. Okay, you are going to become a most important person for your family. This is the greatest opportunity. Please invest your time in your studies. If you invested your time in your study, it will give you everything, whatever you want. So that's all from my side, sir. Test series may mistake. Okay. So if you are finding any issues with the test series, see, sometimes what happened, we all are human. So there are some human errors are there. Okay. And the same kind of error you also may get in the GATE exam. Most of the time, GATE exam also have one or two some printing error. Sometimes some different kind of errors will be appear in GATE exam even. So you know how to select the correct one. Test series, the main purpose of test series is to check your potential by yourself. We are not going to judge you, how you are scoring and how you are solving. It's your own judgment test. Okay. So utilize test series accordingly. Don't blame that this question is wrong. So what I can do? It will happen in the GATE also. You can't do anything. Better you know that, no, sir, I am able to rectify it. I'm unable to solve this particular question, but I am able to understand what is the concept behind it. I'm correct, sir. And that makes your confidence boost up. That makes you capable even to identify in case if some question in the GATE exam also comes, like, you can easily skip it out. Okay. So that is all from my side. Hoping all of you have enjoyed this session a lot. And now you have a crystal clear about the 2026 GATE preparation. So thank you, everyone. Lots of love. Thank you, everyone. Good night.